Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Team Bets here today. Today I'll be showing you guys my temporary studio for now. I hope you guys like this. I did a little bit of do it yourself and creativity to do this video, but I hope this video is going to help you, especially if you're a new content creator for YouTube. If you're still on a budget and you want to use at home tools to better your video quality or your video light, stay back and do not go nowhere. Honestly guys, I really wished somebody has told me this trick. So let me tell you how I used to set up my lighting studio before. So I used to have this high power beam side to side and they were yellow light. The problem with that was it gets really hot and overheating, and sometimes it does not make my video look really nice. So I stopped to use that, and also because we were renovating, so I got to pack all my lights away and put them away. So because of that, I've been trying to shoot during daylight, which is really perfect. But the problem is that I have to wait and wait. There are times that, and I'm a night person, I'm a night owl, not really a morning person. And because I'm a night owl, it's really good for me to have a good lighting so that way I can continue to produce content. It was kind of challenging if I did not have light, because first of all, I sleep late and I wake up quite late. So it's like I'm missing the perfect timing to do my videos. So because I'm a night person, I had to figure out a better way to kind of create content and make sure that my picture quality is good. So I'm going to be showing you today what my temporary studio looks like before I redefine my studio. And you guys are not allowed to make fun of me, okay? And also, this is a very budget friendly lighting, and I think this can work for anybody. And I promise you guys are not allowed to laugh. And if you see me looking straight ahead frequently, it's because I'm looking at my phone and making sure that this camera is in focus, because I used the G7 and the autofocus is terrible. It's a good camera, but the autofocus is not very good for video. It's not really a good video vlog. So I'm just making sure that it's an autofocus, because damn, this showed me pepper one time. Like, I had filmed the whole video and realized that it was blurry. Most of the videos were blurry. But if you want to see that video, go up there, go click on the button below. It's a Shein haul. Click on that video to video above, and it will take you to the video. You see what I'm talking about. So that's why I try to make sure I look at it and make sure that it's in focus, but it looks like it's already in focus, which I really like. So back to what we were saying. I used to have this really too high beam light, and there was a time I was trying to get a focus to my eyes, but I was still getting this harsh whitish light color to my face, and it didn't make my face look flattering. And guess what? While I was trying to set up this lighting equipment, I fucking bumped myself. I burnt myself on my shoulder trying to move things around. So it's like, okay, it's kind of a good thing that we're renovating, because then that means I have to be inventive on what I do to kind of make my video appear much better. But you guys, I will take you around to see what this temporary studio looks like. So I'm just in my dining room right now, and right now I have a chandelier upstairs right here, and that's basically reflecting like some kind of light to me. It's not the brightest, but at least it's reflecting some kind of light to me. And then right here, I've got one of my family's members' headphone on here, in which I have turned on the touch light to kind of reflect some kind of light to this side. It's not doing the best, but at least it's some kind of light to kind of produce some, flattering image and texture to my face. And I have that. And basically, I do have my Novena Anastasia kit eyeshadow, and I'm basically using the mirror, and I'm kind of using it that way I can always check myself and see, okay, do I have to make my hair look a certain way? Do I not have to make my hair look a certain way? Do I have to comb? Or do I not need to comb? Do I need to look pretty? Or do I not need to look pretty? So this is very ending. I really like this eyeshadow because it's got a really nice mirror to it. So let's keep going. So I'm going to show you a tour so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And you guys are not allowed to laugh. Like, this is the weird thing. But this is also a do-it-yourself studio. If you are on a low budget, or if you're renovating and you need some kind of space to kind of do a video and you don't have your proper lighting, this can really help. But you guys are not allowed to laugh. I promise. If you guys laugh, I don't know what to do, but please do not laugh. Do not laugh, okay? So I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you can see what I'm talking about, okay? So you guys, this is what the camera looks like right now, and as you can see, this is a under the budget tripod. The tripod does not fit the camera properly, so I kind of use like a duct tape. So that's a hack if you guys are looking to this thing. It's kind of like running off, but like I sometimes use like the strings that come along with the camera. I sometimes hang it over to the side, and then I make sure that that holds it in place, because I find like that would make it steady. So I'm just going to show you what my background looks like right now. This is my dining table. This is what the back of my stage looks like. I've got a flower which doesn't really show in my video. So I've got a pot right here. So you guys are probably wondering, why the hell does she even have a pot right there? So the reason why I do have the pot right there is to hold this camera in place right here. And this is to basically reflect some light to my face. And then I've got this light right here, which is just a night lamp, and it just has a bulb to it. I don't know if you guys can catch it, but it's got a bulb to it. And then I just put aluminum foil to it, and surprisingly, I thought this would get really hot, but surprisingly the aluminum foil is not hot at all. So I just put an aluminum foil, just folded it at the base, and just left a little bit of light for exposure, so that way I can get some kind of clean image whenever I do my videos. There's a chandelier up right here, which is basically reflecting some kind of light to my face and my back. And if you guys are wondering why the hell I have a pot, the pot is to hold this in place. And then I do have my computer by the side, which kind of gives me some light to my face. It's not a high beam light, but it is something to kind of help the texture of the image of the video. So that's what I did. And then I have this palette, Novina palette right here, which has a really wide angle mirror. And something I try to do is basically open it up and be able to see, okay, do I need to make any changes here? So I just open that mirror up so that way I can see, like, do I need to better my makeup somewhere or not? But honestly, you guys, you can make your home studio. You just have to use things around the house that you think will work. If you find that your light is too bright, I wish I knew this hack earlier. If you find that your light is too bright, just get an aluminum foil and just wrap it around the light, and like have one part of the light like faced one direction and the other one wrapped in the foil. It gives you a nice even look. That's what I did, and it looks like it's been helping me because my camera quality got so much better using this trick. So this is one of the hack for Panasonic that I use, Panasonic Lumix that I use, and this basically kind of shows me what I appear as, and then I kind of tap it to make sure that I'm in focus. Like right here, I tap on that to make sure I'm in focus, because this camera sometimes can be a pain in the ass. So guys, now this is what the video appears as without that light I showed you, the lamp light. So this is what it looks like. It's like turned off. So if this is so the light really makes a difference with the aluminum foil. It really makes a difference. And I only have one light, two lights, which is the second one from the iPhone, one from the lamp light, and one from the chandelier. It's just the chandelier light that's on, as well as my computer light reflecting to my face. But I find with the chandelier light and the night lamp, as well as my phone, my phone as well as my computer, it really makes a difference. And right now I have my ISO to 1600 because it's dark, and I wanted to give some kind of brightness more to the image I am capturing, since I don't have a full light around me. I don't have a proper, I don't have the proper equipment lights. But this is excellent if you're a new beginner and you're looking for something that is cheap and or not even wanting to buy anything out of your pocket, that is something that you can do. As you can see, my computer case underneath the pot, and the reason why I have my computer case underneath the pot is because it's slippery on the glass table. So I put that underneath the pot as well as hold my phone using my using the pot as a phone holder, so that way the phone does not slip when I do my tutorial or when I do my videos. But let's get the lights back on. So guys, this is the light back on, and you see it makes everything look really crisp. I'm just going to turn up my iPhone light as well so as to get some kind of reflection to my face, which I think makes my video look very good and great with the lighting. So if you guys have any hacks or tricks to how to make your video look better, let me know. Let me know if you think this is very creative. Let me know if you're going to try this. If you're a new YouTuber, or if you're not a new YouTuber, if you think you're going to use this trick to make it work, let me know. And another thing I wanted to also measure is the chandelier light is shining towards my hair, so it kind of makes my hair pop. And then I have the night lamp. I really wanted to show you what this really looks like, so you can take a look. Guys, look at the picture quality of this. Who would believe that this is a household item I'm using? Things that I already have at home. And you guys might have some of this at home. You guys do have some of this at home that you can use to better your lighting. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Bye now.